Hey Artland, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw anti-venom. Now, to start off with this, we're going to begin with the face. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to make the eye. So to draw the eye, you're just going to draw a line that just kind of curves up, and then it's going to go over like this. Then I'm going to make a line that goes over and then just kind of connects here. Now, starting right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up and over. Then I'm going to make another little line that kind of does the same thing. Then I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve around here. And then it's just going to kind of curve back. Then I'm just going to kind of come down like this. Then, starting here, I'm going to draw a little line, just kind of goes down, and then I'm going to kind of curve it up into a really creepy smile, like some of these Venom and Carnage characters have. Then I'm going to just kind of bring it back down. I'm just going to make it really wavy like this. Then I'm going to bring it down here, and I'm going to kind of curve down and then bring it up for the chin. Then I'm going to kind of curve this up and then over. And then I'm just going to draw a couple little kind of curved lines and then a line over here. Then I'm going to make a little line that goes down and then up. Now, starting here, I want to start adding the teeth. So, I'm going to draw a little line that goes down and up. And I'm just going to kind of add these, all over the place. He's got really sharp teeth. They're just kind of all different sizes and everything. They're going to kind of fill up his whole mouth. And then you want to kind of do the same thing down here. Just make them all different sizes. Don't try to get in like a pattern or anything, but just kind of fill up the mouth with really sharp teeth. Then, starting here, I'm going to draw a little line. It's just going to kind of curve down. I'm going to kind of go around the tooth and then just kind of curve it up here for this crazy long tongue. Then I'm going to keep it kind of skinny down here, and then as I get closer towards the mouth, I'm going to make it bigger and bigger. I'm going to make this line a little bigger here. Then I'm going to add just a couple little lines right here by the jaw. Now we want to add his really kind of crazy mask pattern that he has. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to draw a little line that goes up and down. And another one that goes up and down. Then I'm going to go right around the eye, and then over. I'm going to kind of go up and then kind of curve back a little bit. Then you just want to make a line that just kind of curves around here, and then it's going to kind of curve back. And then I'm just going to kind of bring this back down. I'm going to make a little line that kind of comes out, and then it's going to kind of curve back. A little line that goes up. And then just a little line that kind of curves back, and then I'm just going to kind of bring this little line all the way right along the edge of the mouth. Then I'm just going to kind of draw this line right around here. I'm going to throw a few little kind of lines going off of it. And then I'm just going to make a couple little lines that just kind of curve right down to here. Now for some details, I'm just going to add a little line right here, and then a couple little lines right there by the jaw. I'm going to add a couple little curved lines right along the tongue here. A couple little curved lines everywhere. Then I'm going to add kind of like a little broken line right along here. Little line right underneath the eye. And then in the anti-venom, some of the images of him, they have like some crazy things coming off him, kind of like Carnage, some don't. I'm just going to add a couple little kind of wavy lines, kind of like how we did on the Carnage video. Just to kind of add a little bit of detail onto here. We're not going to put quite as many as the Carnage one had, but we're just going to add just a few on here. I'll put one more kind of right down here. 3 is like a good number to have. Then I'm just going to add a couple little kind of broken lines right around here. And you can add like a couple more little of these kind of details coming off as little designs. And then you can even add like some little lines into the teeth. Just kind of start from the points or from the bottom or top and then just kind of go down. And there you go, there is your drawing of Anti-Venom. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.